Leukorrhea. It is disease of the females, which means vaginal discharge, which appears at the age of onset of puberty and diminishes at the age of menopause. It is a normal secretion which is produced by the glands of the vagina, uterus, fallopian tubes. It is a clear, watery discharge which has a protective functions. That is, it lubricates the surface of the vagina. It protects the vagina from the external pathogens which get entry from exterior. It also provides nutrition to the positive bacteria. That is, the bacteria or the vaginal flora, which are producing the secretions and defense to the body of the and the anterior surface of the vagina and adhesive genital organs. They are the positive ones, or they are the positive factors or the defensive weapon for the vagina. That is the normal flora. But this secretion in certain conditions is increased in quantity and changes in quality. At that time, it is termed as pathological leukorrhea, while the normal secretion is called as physiological leukorrhea, which is a fruitful, helpful, and the very beneficial for the health of the vagina and the adjacent genital organs. Pathological leukorrhea means there is changes in the color of the fluid, that is, changes from whitish to yellowish and then subsequently into the greenish one. So these are the pathological coloration of the vaginal discharge. Whereas normal case, when is physiological leukorrhea, it is odorless. But when it becomes pathological, pathological means diseased one, so it bears fishy, foul smell and odor. So these are the diagnostic stigmata, difference between the physiological and the pathological leukorrhea. And that is change of odor and the coloration, that is quantity and quality also. There is excessive secretion and flow of the vaginal secretion. So at that stage we term it as a pathological leukorrhea. Now the etiology of the leukorrhea. When there is vaginitis, there is infections by the bacteria, viruses, parasites, fungi, fungus infection. These produces the foul smelling discharge. Sexually transmitted diseases, especially the gonorrhea, that also enhance and produces the vaginal leukorrhea, pathological one. Depression, stress, strains of the psychological nature also enhances the production of the pathological leukorrhea. Diabetes, excessive alcoholism, and smoking in certain females, that also are the stimulating factor for production of the foul smelling discharge. Next is the unprotected intercourse, and multiple sex partners is also cause of this disease. Intravaginal devices, contraceptive devices must be implanted by the qualified staff, otherwise it may lead laceration, infection and wounds by the bacteria and the viruses. That also produces the abnormal secretion.